Voilà, on commence aujourd'hui avec la leçon 4 ou bien le leçon 4. Today we are going to start with the lesson 4. We have a series that we have actually been taking all for some time now, and it's on our webinar. It's on our webinar page, so you can actually visit our webinar page. I'm going to leave a link below this video, above this video, aosacademy.com/webinar. Now, free webinar perhaps. Now, today we are going to talk about an interesting lesson. The lesson is Pillars for Successful French Learning for TEF Canada Test. This is one lesson that is also part of our Introductory French for TEF Canada online course, which is free on our website www.frenchtefcanada.com. So you can go on that website and even take all the lessons at once. Now, this is going to be the final lesson in this set of webinars. And if you have any questions, comments, or feedback, please try as much as possible to send it to us on admin@aosacademy.com or even support@frenchtefcanada.com. Now, later in this lesson, you will learn how to join the beginner, the intermediate, and the advanced courses, and even on one-on-one coaching session of the FrenchTefCanada.com. You would also become part of our large organization, our large community of French learners, of coaches and language enthusiasts. But firstly, let us answer the questions. What is the 7 main pillars of successful language learning? Now, the very first thing is time. The total amount of learning time that you have will determine if you are going to learn the language or not. According to the Ministry of Education France and also the Canadian Language Benchmark and the CLB, which is the NCLC levels that we are actually following, there are roughly 6 levels that you have to attain, you understand, in your French language learning journey before you can actually speak and take the TEF Canada exam. Even though it's not compulsory, you get proficient in all the levels before you actually take the test. But firstly, there are 6 levels, and these 6 levels, the very first level, the A1 level, the discovery level, you need to spend at least 100 hours in that level before you can actually speak the language in the basic level aspect. Now, in the A2, the elementary level, you have to spend 200 hours. In the B1 level, you have to spend at least 350 hours. In B2 level, you have to spend 500 hours. In C1 level, you have to spend 700 hours. And in the C2 level, the expert level, you have to spend 900 hours. And I do tell people, these hours do not need to be in a year. It does not even need to be in a couple of years. You can, depending on how you decide to actually learn it, you can take 6 months and cover those hours. And when you cover those hours with rigorous, you understand, exercises, rigorous lessons in the French, with rigorous practice, you will be able to speak the language and go and write the TEF Canada examination. Now, the L2 difficulty compared to English for French is that you need roughly 900 to 1000 hours, you understand, in order to become spontaneous in the language. You may not become fluent, but spontaneity is what is required in the TEF Canada examination. And once you have that, for the Romance language, which French is part of, you'll be able to actually take the exam. You need about 575 to 6,000 class hours to reach advanced level proficiency. So sometimes it's not even up to 900 to 1,000 hours. About 600 class hours is enough for someone that takes within 23 to 24 weeks of intensive training. And 24 weeks amounts to what? It amounts to 6 months. So that's why I really tell people that within 6 months or less, you can actually learn the language and you'll not break a bone. Do you understand? It's not something that would take a lot of your time. It's not something that would require that you actually forfeit a lot of things. Do you understand? But you have 2 mediums, or I would say 2 channels, 2 major channels for you to learn. And you can actually choose. How are you willing to learn the language? Do you want to learn it in a physical classroom? Or do you want to learn it online with all the e-learning tools that are available? Now, another thing is that you must know how to compensate yourself. That's another strategy that you need to, another pillar that you need to take cognizance of. Now, this pillar is very, very important. You need to reward yourself in your language learning journey. And there are a lot of ways you can reward yourself. If, for instance, you have gotten the first level, the A1 level, you have spent about 100 hours. Compensate yourself. You can compensate yourself with money, with cash items, with vacation. You can go out and enjoy yourself. You can buy yourself valuables like cars, like house, like any other valuables. It may even be as little as chocolate. Just appreciate yourself in the learning process so that it would serve as a kind of motivation for you to actually continue your learning process. Now, another thing is your accountability system. Please, you need people and you need systems that would make you accountable for your learning process. You can't learn it alone. You can't be an island. Do you understand? So, do you know how to actually involve your family and friends into the process, even if you are just the one learning the language? If you don't know, then you need to join our French for TEF Canada online course. We'll explain to you how you can actually involve them without becoming buggy to them, without actually disturbing them, without serving like a kind of parasite to them. Now, do you even know how to set up your life, your room, your office, your school for the process of language learning? We talk about sticky notes, for instance. A lot of people don't know the power sticky note has. The more you are able to stick, and what exactly are you going to stick around in your house, in your school? We are going to be explaining it to you. So there is basically no excuse for you. Now, 6, you need to have a learning team or learning partners. There are some people that are also willing to learn the language with you. So you need to identify those people. Those are the people that have same triggers, you understand, that have same motivations like you, that would help you in your language learning process. So how can you even identify these people and distinguish them from the serious people in the crowd? Because it's not even everybody that says they want to learn a language that are serious about it. So you need to know how to actually select those people that would give you the kind of motivation you need. Now let's talk about the last factor, which is the major factor that we talk about. Because as we say, save the best for the last. We intentionally left it for the final point, and that is language coach. It is very, very important. They say that you will not always have time to make all the errors yourself. In fact, when you sit or when you stand in front or on top of people that have actually gone further in you in life, you tend to see further. Do you understand? So I will ask you, who is your language coach? Do not underestimate the usefulness of the language coach. They are professionals. They have failed. Some of them have succeeded, but they have also found the easy way out. You understand? You need not go through the hard way, the tough way. So invest in getting at least one of them to assist you in your language learning process and your examination preparation journey. Leverage on their skill, leverage on their knowledge, leverage on their experience. You have not enough time to have those experiences yourself. It saves you time and it saves you money. You can also invest in our courses, in our coachings, in AOS Academy. I would show you how to actually make use of this pillar successfully to develop yourself in French language and to also take the TEF Canada in our French for TEF Canada online course. You will be able to learn French fast and prepare for TEF Canada within 3 to 6 months or less based on what we actually talked about today. Now, if you really want to register for our online course, we are giving you a coupon code which you can actually put on our website. It's only for people that actually finishes this video to the end. So the coupon code is AOS, A capital letter A, capital letter O, capital letter S, 3, number 3, M for mother, and bonus. That is AOS 3M bonus. That is a coupon code that you can actually use to get a deduction from the amount on our online course, which allows you to take it. It's a coupon code that just lasts for an hour. So once you slot it in, you have to actually apply within that hour and get started with your French learning. Thank you very much, and I really do hope to see you in class. Enroll yourself now at a discounted rate. Merci beaucoup et à la prochaine. See you next time.